Hello my dear friends, welcome in my channel GS Knowledge Industry. In this video we will discuss most 25 GK of Parliament and Constitution which are very better for the all competitive examination. So my dear friends, let's start without delay. The first question is, which part deals with the directive principle of state policy? Which part of Indian Constitution deals with the directive principle of state policy? Option A part 4, option B part 5, option C part 6, option D part 7. So here the correct answer is option A is the right answer. Okay, part 4. Which part deals with the directive principle of state policy? Part 4 deals, right? 2 number question is, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Option A APJ Abdul Kalam, option B Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, option C Atal Bihari Vajpayee, option D Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So here the right answer is option B. Option B is the right answer. Okay, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. 3 number question is, how many fundamental rights in Indian Constitution? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 7. So here the right answer is option C 6. There are 6 fundamental rights in Indian Constitution. 4 number question is, how many fundamental duties in Indian Constitution? Option A 6, option B 9, option C 11, option D 13. So here the right answer is option C 11. There are 11 fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. 5 number question is, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option A B.R. Ambedkar, option B Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Rajendra Prasad, option D M.N. Rao. So here the correct answer is option B Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution. 6 number question is, the Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from which country? The Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from which country? Option A USA country Constitution, option B Canada Constitution, option C USSR Constitution, option D Britain Constitution. So here the right answer is option A USA Constitution, right? The Indian Constitution has borrowed the Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from which country? USA Constitution, right? 7 number question is, fundamental right is taken from which country? Option A Britain, option B USSR, option C Japan, option D USA. So here the right answer is option D USA, right? Fundamental right is taken from which country? USA. 8 number question is, what is the correct nomenclature of India according to the preamble? Option A sovereign, option B secular, option C socialist, option D all the above. So here the right answer is option D all the above. Okay, what is the correct nomenclature of India according to the preamble? Sovereign, secular and socialist, 3 are the right answer. 9 number question is, what is the constitutional name of our India? Option A India is the union of state, option B India is sovereign, option C India that is Bharat, option D all the above. So here the right answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, India that is Bharat. What is the constitutional name of our country? India that is Bharat. 10 number question is, who is the first law officer of the country? Option A President, option B Attorney General, option C Prime Minister, option D Home Minister. So here the right answer is option B Attorney General, right? Who is the first law officer of the country? Attorney General. 11 number question is, What is the minimum permissible What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? Option A 12 years, option B 14 years, option C 16 years, option D 18 years. So here the right answer is option B 14 years, right? What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? 14 years. 12 number question is, how many types of writ are there in the Indian Constitution? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. So here the correct answer is option A is the right answer. Okay, 5. How many types of writ are there in the Indian Constitution? 5 types. 13 number question is, who appoints governor of state in India? Option A Attorney General, option B President, option C Prime Minister, option D Member of Parliament. So here the right answer is option B President. Who appoints governor of state in Odisha? Sorry, who appoints governor of state in India? President appoints, right? 14 number question is, the Indian Constitution is regarded in which form? Option A unitary, option B joint, option C federal, option D all the above. So here the right answer is option C federal, right? The Indian Constitution is regarded in which form? Federal. 15 number question is, which article can't be suspended even during emergency? Option A Article 20, option B Article 21, option C Article 22, option D both A and B. So here the right answer is option D both A and B. Which article can't be suspended even during emergency? Article 20 or and Article 21. Both are the right answer. 16 number question is, who has the right to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not? Option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C Speaker of Lok Sabha, option D Attorney General. So here the correct answer is option C Speaker of Lok Sabha, right? Who has the right to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker of Lok Sabha. 17 number question is, parliamentary form of government is taken from the constitution of which country? Option A Britain, option B Canada, option C USA, option D Germany. So here the right answer is option A Britain. Parliamentary form of government is taken from the constitution of which country? Britain. 18 number question is, Indian Federation has been brought from which country? Option A USA, option B Canada, option C Japan, option D Germany. So here the right answer is, which is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Okay, Canada. Indian Federation has been brought from which country? Canada. 19th number question is, who was the constitutional advisor of Indian Constituent Assembly? Option A B R Ambedkar, option B M N Roy, option C B N Rao, option D Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So here the right answer is option C is the right answer. Okay, B N Rao. Who was the constitutional advisor of Indian Constituent Assembly? B N Rao. 20 number question is, who is the chairman of NITI Ayog? Option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C Chief Justice, option D Home Minister. So here the correct answer is option B Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the chairman of NITI Ayog. 21 number question is, what is the term of Vice President? Option A 5 years, option B 6 years, option C 7 years, option D not mentioned. So here the right answer is option A 5 years, right? What is the term of Vice President? 5 years. 22 number question is, right to privacy come under which article? Option A Article 20, option B Article 21, option C Article 21A, option D Article 22. So here the correct answer is option B. Option B is the right answer, Article 21. Right to privacy come under which article? Article 21. 23 number question is, who was the chairman of drafting committee? Option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, B.N. Rao. Option D, Bhim Rao Ambedkar. So here the right answer is option D, B.R. Rao, right? Who was the chairman of drafting committee? B.R. Ambedkar. 24 number question is, how many days took to frame the Indian Constitution? Option A, 2 years, 10 months, 18 days. Option B, 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. Option C, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Option D, 2 years, 11 months, 19 days. So here the right answer is option C, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, right? How many days took to frame the Indian Constitution? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. 25 number question is, on which date India became a sovereign, democratic and republic? Option A, 15 August 1947. Option B, 26 November 1949. Option C, 26 January 1949. Option D, 26 January 1950. So here the right answer is option D, 26 January 1950. On which date India became a sovereign, democratic and republic? 26 January 1950. So my dear friends, it was most and very important GK of political science, which are very important for the all competitive examination. So my dear friends, thank you for watching this video and best of